Hi there, it's Mary, and it is boosted tea time. Woo! I'm so excited to teach you how to make a boosted tea. DIY boosted teas. They're amazing. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is have you assemble your ingredients. Your aloe, your herbal tea concentrate, and liftoff. So those are the three Herbalife ingredients that you need. And your flavorings that you purchased. Here at New Start Nutrition, we use flavorings from Abundant Life, sweetened with stevia. So there's 0 calories, 0 sugar, and super flavorful. You can find other flavorings at the grocery store. The one that we chose for today is called Mio, but I know that people have used Crystal Light and some other things. So if you need help with finding flavorings, just message me, text me, call me, and we'll work through it together. All right, so you need a cup. This is a 16-ounce cup that we are using. I'm lying. It is a 24-ounce cup that we're using for our boosted tea. So the first thing that we want to do is to dissolve our liftoff and our herbal tea concentrate. So we're gonna pour in a measuring cup about 2.5 or 3 ounces of hot water. Not boiling, just hot. And why do we do that? We do that because it makes everything dissolve faster. So what we've done here at New Start is we've smashed our liftoff to smithereens. We use a meat tenderizer on the smooth side, smash, 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 so it's easy to dissolve. So here's the liftoff doing its effervescent liftoffing thing. And we are going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of our herbal tea concentrate in the raspberry flavor. Pomegranate liftoff, raspberry tea. We mix it up gently because sometimes liftoff behaves a little bit like lava and it's been known to just grow and grow and grow. We don't want that to happen. All right, I'm gonna take my berry pomegranate flavoring and I'm gonna squeeze in a 1/2 teaspoon. And this is the base of our boosted tea. So it's kind of a nice dark purple color. And I'm going to add it directly into my 24-ounce cup. And there we go. That's the base. Now I'm going to add ice to my cup. Just pack it with ice, as much ice as you like. And so we have about this much here. So the next layer is the aloe. And what I've done is I've taken the liberty of pre-mixing 1/2 ounce of aloe in 4 ounces of cold water. So what I did was I put a 1/2 ounce of aloe inside this little cup and I filled it with water up to the 4-ounce mark. And now I'm gonna pour that right into my beautiful boosted tea. And there you go. You can see the layering effect starting to happen. The next and last layer is about 4 or 5 ounces of water. And we're going to add our second flavor, which is strawberry watermelon. It's so delicious. So again, a 1/2 teaspoon of this beautiful pink flavoring. We mix it up and pour it right onto the top. Might want to add a little bit more water in there if you like. Look how beautiful he is. Pretty in pink. Now, a couple things. Before you drink this guy, you want to make sure you mix him up. Admire him, take a picture, little selfie, whatever you want, post, and then mix them up before you drink it. Why? Because all the bits of liftoff and the energy tea are down at the bottom. So when you stick your straw in all the way to the bottom, you're going to get all this chunky stuff. You want to make sure that it mixes nicely. So what's in this beautiful boosted tea? Why do we want to be drinking it? Well, in the liftoff, there's B vitamins, vitamin C, and ginkgo biloba. They give us a lot of energy, they boost our cells, and the ginkgo biloba gives us focus. In the energy tea, it's all of those beautiful antioxidants that we find in green tea. It's also a thermogenic blend, so it boosts our metabolism and it helps us burn calories. And then aloe. Aloe is amazing for your digestive system, soothing, and helps us absorb our nutrition. So you've got a soothing component, an energizing component, and a total nutritional component out of the liftoff, and a focusing component. This stuff is like magic. I've literally had people sitting at the counter saying, I feel different, and it's been maybe the first 5 minutes of having a few sips of their boosted tea. So I want you to enjoy this so much and get creative with other flavors. Who knows? Maybe you're going to create a flavor that we're going to wind up putting on our New Start menu. I'd love that. All right. Enjoy your boosted tea. Cheers. Bye now.